All right. Let's see what we got. Almost 9 o'clock. See if we can scrape a few dollars out. All right, where's my mouse? Everything on the screen, I guess. Excuse me. Looks like a bull flag forming right there for a further move up, which seems to be the thing today. I have to figure out why my mouse is having so much latency, but it's a little much. Yep, and there it is. Maybe. Volume's coming. Volume's coming. Oh. See if we can get snagged on the way back up. All right. I think we're going at least there. Boom. All right. Switch over to a funded. Looks like we might have one of those nights. Got to be careful though. No adding in on a brand new funded. Let's see what we got. Seems to be a little bit of a wall of despair. Where's our wall? Let's move it. Here's our wall of despair. Seems to be our. I guess we need a wall of despair and a wall of sorrow. Let me ask. Let me go ahead and throw that in there as an idea. So we're gonna have. I am gonna move the wall of despair to the bottom, and then the wall of sorrow. Actually, can I just copy? No, I can't do that. This is more of a happy wall. Gotta break through it though. It's way thicker. Might not be the same line. There's the magic yellow. That's our range. Another bull flag forming. I'm gonna prepare. Let's see. No volume yet. Bull flag on a bull flag. Let's see, what's it gonna do? All I'm seeing is red. Up. A little bit of hope. Could pop through. Should we try? Ooh, with the funded, I don't know. I can be risky with the evals, but I don't want to be risky on the funded. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Alright, where's all my materials? I don't know, it looks like it wants to go. I wonder what's going on the news. I wonder if there's any news we can, right? There's a war going on, right? Did we finish that? What's going on with the war? There's gotta be, this looks like the same stuff from last night. Blockades in effect. Which is the most people watching? This is all the same. Oh my god, are they just live streaming straight through? I swear to god, these are the same pictures or thumbnails as last night. Does anybody actually have new recently uploaded? This is recent. Trump takes full control of Hormuz. That could be good. Hold on, give me a second.
Completely. You know, in the day after that, it does seem as if there are still negotiations, there's still discussions, and, you know, at least according to the Americans, there is still a deal to be had. And the question of these nuclear enrichment, the length of the moratorium, that is a bridge that, at least on the American side, they do believe can be gapped at some point. There's also the question of the nuclear stockpile, you know, the more than 400 kilograms of highly enriched uranium that's believed to be buried underground at Isfahan. The Iranians have suggested that they would be willing to dilute that to well below weapons grade. The Americans want it removed from Iran entirely, so that's a sticking point as well. But there is a belief that this can all be resolved somewhat, and they believe that if that happens, then all of the other components of this deal, whether it's the Strait of Hormuz or whether it's Iran's support for proxy groups in the region, that all of that will essentially fall into place. I think the risk for President Trump is that the deal he ends up agreeing to ends up looking very similar to the 2015 Obama-era deal that he has decried, that he withdrew from. I think it will require some massaging on his part politically to make his supporters in the United States, who are very much behind him in all of this, think that this is a good deal, but that's all to be resolved. As of now, the diplomatic wheels continue to turn.
Yes, they do. All right, Clarissa Ward, Kevin Liptak, thank you both so much. All right, direct peace talks between Israel and Lebanon are underway now at the State Department. Maha Yahya is the director of the Carnegie Middle East Center, joins us live now from Beirut. Let's just talk about expectations here. We're not really expecting some kind of sort of long-term peace deal to be signed today. Clarissa Ward, our reporter on the ground there in Riyadh, was just talking about this idea of it's just normally much better to have some kind of ceasefire in place for sure as you conduct negotiations. It's better for trust on both sides. Based on all of that, what is really the best we can hope for from today, Maha?
Hi, Zain. Thank you for having me. I think the best we can hope for is they set the time frame for the next one. Honestly, Lebanon has one demand of this initial conversation, which is a ceasefire. I don't see Israel agreeing to a ceasefire in the south. The intensity of the bombardments over the last I would say week since the blitz of last Wednesday that Clarissa described. The intensity of bombardments in the south has been astonishing. It's been quite horrific. The Israeli army is saying they have not achieved their goals. There are leaks that they're planning to occupy around 8 kilometers that no one will be allowed to return to. We're seeing villages being dynamited across this area. They're saying they will also occupy and put permanent military posts up to the Litani River. And then even the areas beyond the Litani River. I mean, we're talking about almost 15% of Lebanese territory that people will not be allowed to go back to. I genuinely don't see, and this is not a peace discussion. We're nowhere near that. Right now, we're talking about a cessation of hostilities and then trying to come up with the next steps beyond that. Israel wants security guarantees, Lebanon wants security guarantees, and trying to figure out what a roadmap for achieving those would look like.
I'm so glad that you brought up just how much, ordinary Lebanese people have been reeling from the past month or so of attacks. I mean, obviously, they've been through so much already, just in terms of what was going on 18 months ago, and now to go through it again every so often, and over events that they really honestly have no control over. As I've said time and time again, they are powerless in this sort of dynamic, completely caught in the middle. One of the things I was saying to our correspondent, Clarissa Ward, is just this idea, though, and I understand what you're saying, that, expectations are relatively low. They're simply sort of going to kick the can down the road. But you point out what Israel's number one priority is, and that is, of course, security. They want security guarantees. They have said that the best way to ensure that is really the complete sort of disarmament of Hezbollah. How that happens when Lebanon is sort of weak as a state in that capacity, the Lebanese army cannot go up against Hezbollah. It just doesn't have the capacity to do that. When Israel says we want Hezbollah to be disarmed, how on earth does that happen?
Well, the way Israel is going about it is not a recipe for peace. Bombing the country, to smithereens is not going to bring about any kind of a peace deal. Today, more than 300 and I think 15 villages and towns have been evacuated. 1.2 million people are displaced, and probably maybe hundreds of thousands will not be able to go back home because they don't have a home to go back to. So this is not a recipe for peace. Second thing is, you're not going to bomb Hezbollah out of existence also. So there needs to be a diplomatic discussion for this to happen. When it comes to the Lebanese state, the way you strengthen, I mean, the international community is giving the Lebanese government, the Lebanese state, significant political support. We need more. We need more in terms of, helping curb Israeli military action in Lebanon, saying enough is enough, helping to strengthen the army, helping the government to try and address the needs of its population. Definitely, disarmament of Hezbollah is not going to happen under the barrel of a gun. It's very difficult for any country in the world, let alone a state that is weak or has been weakened by decades of corruption, a very bizarre power sharing system, etc. I won't go into this, but it's no matter what state it is, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to talk about disarming a group in the middle of a conflict, particularly when this group is saying, we are defending our land. They are defending their land, the villages and towns that they are in. Now, this does not condone dragging Lebanon into this war. The Lebanese were not consulted. The Secretary General of Hezbollah came up a little earlier and said, there's no national consensus on the peace talks or on meeting with Israel. Well, there was no national consensus on dragging Lebanon into a war to begin with. So I'm not condoning their actions, but I think the reality is they are on the ground. And
Something's going on when I turn that audio on. I'm trying to see. I wasn't even coming through. Wasn't even coming through. All right, there we go. Wasn't even coming through. All right, there we go. Let's get the music back on, because whatever I did messed it up. Son of a bitch. Now I gotta test that too. Alright, that's not bad. It's a little loud. I guess I'm way louder than it though. I'm gonna bring it down still. I'm telling you, my shit is haunted. Alright, we're just gonna take it as is. I should be, you should be able to hear me. Alright. So we did stop at the order block as expected. Alright, we got a bigger pattern emerging here, which still has bull tendencies. I feel like we're just bull. I feel like the bull market has started. Like, I think crypto's going. I think everything's going. I think this is going to be over soon, and then everything just goes. It's already risk on. What's Bitcoin at? 74.7, and it's holding. It's holding. It's been at 74 for a day now. Bitcoin doesn't just hold and then, well, it could fall, but it usually falls immediately when it makes a huge move. But at least recently, its behavior changes constantly, unfortunately. Although the 4-year cycle seems to play out exact. Alright, well, this also looks like a rising wedge if you look at it from here. Oh, you know what? Let's do something. Why would you? I guess makes sense. What do we got? Pac-Man, what up? 333. Yo, that's my number, bro. I love that. I love that. That's awesome. That means I'm going to win. I'm on a PA right now, too. It's starting to go again, but is he going to respect this? Or is he going to keep popping through? I mean, we got some heavy volume in right here. Everything's up that's open. Except for oil, which we want. We want oil falling. Whenever it breaks, though, you got to watch out. Unless it's, like, really going. So now we got to see what happens. We broke through the wall of sorrow. The wall of despair is way down here, but now the wall of despair. The wall of sorrow is now the top, and the wall of despair is now, let's see, where are we fucked at? That's now the wall of despair. So I don't know. We're pretty close to the top. I think we're gonna try to do it again. We're not looking for too much. We're just trying to get some quick wins. And up, I gotta keep this going. And do that. The news is up in the left if you can see it, so you know if something just happened, it's gonna just it'll tick down. I have to check some other Discord stuff. He seems to be on top of it. Alright, that's good. Alright. It's still going. Alright, I should have just longed it, but I think that's kind of going to be the play tonight. Where are we at? 26. Oh, we're way over 26 too. Alright, well, let's see what happens in the next few minutes, because this is a rising wedge still. I don't want to short it though, because all of a sudden there's going to be buy volume to push it up. It's been going on for the past couple days. I think I'm going to go to a eval, because I'm not feeling confident. I'm not feeling confident with all this. Still says bullish. I don't know, we got a lot going on. Looking to see if Bitcoin jumps. That would be like, if Bitcoin jumps, we're gonna fly. I don't know, it wants to break the wall pretty badly, it looks like. Or it's going to hold long enough to get enough. Well, I don't know. I think it's going. Let me look. My confidence level isn't high enough. It wants to break it. I know it wants to break it, but it keeps. I know what happens. I already made 2 stupid decisions today, and that's too many. Earlier. Just show me any indication that you want to keep going. Or do you want to retrace this entire thing back to here? Which is just, especially with this being a rising wedge, it's actually more likely that it would come down because of the way that it went up. ES has a little bit of red. We're getting delta red. The script says bullish, but I call bullshit on that. I don't know. Actually, It might be taking a breather. Let's see how... We might all of a sudden get a pop is what it feels like too. So, I don't know. You're good, buddy. All right, I just up. There we go. Boom. Quick little win. Quick little win. Loving it. Oh, now all of a sudden I'm hearing stuff. Oh, the cats are fighting. Hey. We have broken the wall of sorrow, but will we hold over it? I have achieved my single candle $60, and it's taunting me. It's taunting me to go in again. It wants me to go in again on the same candle while it crashes to the ground. What's going on in the news? Shanghai's most traded tin futures tin is kicking ass for some reason. I keep seeing things about tin. It must be something in a computer. Now, is that? When is this getting validated? I mean, this isn't calling it as a shape. Normally, this will call it. So maybe I'm just seeing things, but. If we attach that there. We're getting weird. It's sitting on the wall of sorrow. That was crazy. It was like 102 contracts, 18 contracts, 0. 0. All right. Looking for anything. Kind of looks like it wants to keep going. It's the ever-going rising wedge. It's gonna wedge to the sky. Oh shit, I forgot about my bot. Let me see what's going on with the crypto bot. Oh, we got it. Let's see what we can do. Lengthy testing. Alright, my one AI is mad at my other one. which is normal. It's really weird. They hate each other. The arguing is ridiculous. They argue. One day when you catch up, you'll know what I'm talking about. Excuse me. It's still above. Looks like it could be a quick one. Unless something... South Korea's Bank of Korea governor names Shin says he aims to advance the global role of the won. He's going to advance the global role of the won. Alright, well, get that won up, bruh. He's got to get the won up. That... Oh, man, that's... You know what? It's an eval. Let's do it. Good. Just scoop me in real quick and then jump up. But don't scoop... it's going to scoop me on the way down. Oh, I'm already in. I didn't even realize. Give it to me. Give it to me. I'm not hearing anything on volume. I don't like it. I don't like it. Taking too long. Now I'm hearing something. Where is the volume? I don't know, I guess. Since I didn't really trade nights before, but now that I'm at the computer all the time, it just makes sense. Hey, get away from my wires. It's a bad kitten. God, I just tried to cover it and now they're like, gotta go for it. Oh. What's going on? Maybe. Feels like it's just gonna pop. It's gonna do it. Let me turn this off this time so I don't screw up again. Don't stop at the wall of despair. Don't stop at the wall of despair. Keep going, you know you want to. Go ahead. You know you want to. Aw, come on. We'll bring it down a little bit. Just, now you're gonna do this? Alright. Top ticked it again. Not again, but been doing that. It's right there. I think it'd probably be clean. It looks worse than it is, but it's just dead. Which I'm really surprised. Like, wartime? Futures not going crazy? Wartime? I'm not even seeing anything about it on the news. Didn't we blockade the fucking strait? Jesus. It's right here, dude. Putting me to sleep, dude. Get to the wall of sorrow. I'll even bring it down. But then it's gonna pop, I know it. You know what? Who cares? Just take it and get me. Stop walking away from it. Right here. Shimmy this way. Alright, I like... You want them both over the yellow. No. You come back. You come back. He's trying to buy a better price, but... Lord. longest bull play in history. I heard something. It was red though. I don't love that. Looks like they're trying. Asia really they're not in the game. Get in the game, Asia. That looks like it wants to pop. Boom. At least it got me out before I fell asleep. Jesus. Alright, well, slowly but surely. 105. We always want the green circle. The green circle is the aim. It doesn't need to be a huge win. The longer you're in, the higher your odds are that you will lose. So if it feels shaky, just get a few bucks, reset. Wait for this to do whatever it's doing. What is it doing? What are you doing? Oh, are you popping? You're popping. Oh. This could be a scoop. A scoop is another term. I actually have to add that. I've been making a glossary of my terms. Hold on, where is it? The scoop. I forgot to add it. So a scoop is when you are so desperate for a move that you finally see a pop and then you long right there and then that happens. This is the literal exact definition of a scoop. I'm happy it's been caught. That is a scoop. If you longed right there and then that happened, you've been scooped. And if you didn't set a stop loss, you have lost your account at this point. If you're in size. That is freaking hysterical. I'm trying not to curse. It is so hard. Oh my God. I am trying. That was, I knew the scoop was coming. That's why I was talking about it. It's always right there too, when you have hope. That's why I knew get the hell out. And it was about to be 9:30, so time is a factor. So there's a ghost because all my shit is moving. I had to move my what do you call it? Desk clock, which is just an iPhone 8 that I forgot to return. Oh shit. Alright. Really want to pass one or make money on this funded one. I just got it today. I only made $1.50. I don't even think that counts as a day. I think you need 200, right? Oh, I'm fucking typing it wrong. Sorry that my shit's so loud, but I love this keyboard and I'll never get rid of it for anyone. No matter what it sounds like. Alright. Yes, they're good. That's good. Let's see. Funded. What? Daily limit? What is it? Minimum? I think it's like 200. Funded. Oh, yeah, it's 200. Alright. So I didn't get it today. Stupid. I wasn't even thinking about it. I'm doing too much shit at once. Alright, that's fine. Whatever. I DLL'd this one, so let's be thankful. Let's bring this one back. Because I think I was at 52. And then, I don't know, I averaged into a loser in the wrong way. I'm learning, though, I'll tell you. On averaging, it's mostly don't do it. Is mostly the lesson. Because you'll end up with this shit. You'll be like, oh yeah, man, it's going to turn around right. It's going to turn around right here. And then it does for a second. And you're like, yeah, man, I got this shit. And then, boom. DLL. And honestly, I don't mind the D. I used to mind it because I'd be like, oh, you know, let me blah blah blah. But you know what? Account preservation. I grew up in those few, you know, the few days that I felt like that. After a while, I'm like, you know what? That's not the worst. I probably would have just rage. Because I have rage. I did it with an elite like a couple days ago. There was like a few $100s left, and I just like was like, all right. I just like threw one on and walked away, and it burned the account, but it was a fast track, and I didn't beat the beast or whatever. So like if you get the fast track, and it was an intraday, and I don't want a funded intraday, you can keep that. I'll take a funded end of day, but I didn't buy one, so it was like less than $20. Just let it die. Let it die. I have so much music, and I'm playing other people's music. That's the funny thing. I should prepare that. I have so many things that I haven't done since I decided to start streaming again a couple days ago. I'm still doing like the 2 things that I can do while I'm doing this, which is while I'm at the computer. It's the only reason I'm trading, but I don't know. I feel like I have a video I need to edit that I just haven't done for like 5 or 6 days. I wasn't even going to stream tonight. I was laying down, and then I saw like a little bit of action, and I was like, you know what? If I'm going to trade, turn it on. Get your chops in. You know what I'm saying? It'll be terrible. That's fine. Get used to it, you know? This is not fun. I don't know how long I'm going to do it tonight, but I definitely wanted to give it a quick go. I mean, we did $1.05 on that. That's not nothing. Did we do anything on the funded? We didn't have the balls to do anything on the funded. Did we do anything on that? Looks like we did 60 on that. So, alright. It's something. It's not nothing. So, if there's no action, figure 20 minutes. I might call it. We'll see. Oh, hello. Let's take it. What am I in? I forgot what account I was in. I'm not in this one. So now I'm in this one. I do not want to wreck the brand new one, but I guess you don't really want to wreck any. I don't think I top ticked. I might have, but I feel like this has something to it. We'll bring it down a little bit just because it's hesitating. I don't like hesitation. And I don't know. I feel like it has it. I feel like we can go to there at least. Just a quick pop. Quick little... Oh, let me turn that off because I'm managing. Quick little... You're right there, bro. You're right there. There's a little bit of green. Go ahead. You got it. Bro, it's no problem. Don't do the red thing. Don't do it. Yeah, there we go. Although I don't like that. You're not. You need to. No, you're not going the right way. You're not going the right way. You need to go the other direction. Come on, we're right there, bro. And I don't want to do these small moves either, but this is like torture. Come on. Just get me out. I don't want to sit through this. I didn't make the right move. Forgive me. Come on. I know it's gonna go, but it's just like paint dry. It's right there, dude. I know you're gonna... Oh, did it? No, it didn't. What happened? I'm still in. Where's my sell? Did I? Uh-oh. I must have accidentally erased it? Oh, shit. Alright. What are you gonna do? I think it was about to get me out, too. Still gonna do it. Probably. There we go. Wow. Painful. Better than working, but painful. If you know if it's live. We had some volume for a little bit. Oh, that looked like something. What are you doing? Huh? It's an iffy one. It is an iffy one. Any news? Nothing. China's currency begins trading at 6.8247 per dollar versus a slightly smaller number. The music too. I think the music too is putting me to sleep. I'm just drawing willy-nilly at this point. Come on, man. Once the images finish this round, I'll call it. It's painful. I feel like something's gonna happen out of nowhere. That is how most things happen. I want to turn on the news, but I turned on the audio before and it messed up my audio, so we can look at it. So we're just gonna talk about the blockade. That's just what's happening. Just constant blockade news. Bro, you could take a laser and fucking widen that straight in fucking 30 minutes. Some DARPA shit. Stop fucking playing, bro. They do have literal lasers in space. You could just fucking hit a couple chunks off. Boom. Widen that up. And if it's Iran that I mean, obviously they have to be. I didn't look at the map, but I assume they're the one in that little point. I should look at it. It's not worth a type. I'll tell you, my book's gonna have a shitload of pictures in it. And my bot will be, I guess, testing until I die. Correcting monitor. 1 out of 5 deals, 1 loss. 1 loss, 2 active. Waiting for checkpoint. Great. This thing is fucking... If I was designing a money losing bot, I would be the best programmer ever. Jesus, help me. Please put volume into the market, Jesus. Give me something to trade, Jesus. Something I can make money on, Jesus. On this funded account, Jesus. Please, Jesus. Oh, man. But I would be sitting here anyway, waiting for these other things to finish. Oh, shit, there it is. I turn around for 1 second. I would have missed it, but... It's probably a scooper, like this. Gives you some false hope. Is it a scooper? Did you just send 4 dudes into a, oh, maybe not. Let's see. I'm not going in that shit. And it's on the wall of sorrow too, right there. The wall of sorrow is... It does not discriminate. Look at that. Yep, that is... It's not a scoop yet. But if it acts like that, this is the perfect one. Because that was green. That looked like it was going. Seems to be the scoop zone. Oh, I didn't mean that. I'll figure out better music tomorrow. And I'll just, because I'll probably just start streaming when I wake up because the computer will still be on running. So, I'll just do it live. We'll do it live. We're going to do it live. Alright? I'll write it and we'll fucking do it live. Sorry. Oh shit. It's going through the scoop area, but it hasn't made it through it. I don't trust it. I can hear... I mean, there's something happening. Even though the script is calling for a short right in this box. In this very box. Right over here. If you see that... Oh, I think it just got invalidated. Did it get invalidated? Oh, he's moving it. That's cheating, dude. He's managing the trade. Oh, shit. Something happened. I like that. Alright, what do I want to do? This is not... We're still not sure what's happening, so we'll just go to that... stay on the eval, not take, because we haven't proven that we can get past that line yet, although we're about to, aren't we? Things tend to happen as they say it. What it would look like if I bought it. It'd have to go all the way up to there. If I got it right here. Hold on. What if I... It looks like it wants to go down though, straight to the sorrow. Oh, it does. Alright, well. Invalidated. I was gonna go long. My fucking watch keeps telling me to stand. I've been running around all day. Not just sitting here. I'm gonna get up in a minute too. This book is just gonna take literally 2 fucking years to illustrate and get all the images in, and then the credits. And the bot will literally, I will die before it, no, well, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're doing hardcore testing. So, like, day-long testing, and a lot of them. Hold on. I feel like my Bose headphones are starting to... I feel like I just replaced another set. I don't remember. I don't know. I don't trust any of this. I don't trust it. I don't know which way it's going. It does look like that, but so does this. That means just that. What is that? Mars, baby. I tried to buy a Martian meteorite. The guy wasn't going for it. He wanted like $4 grand. I was like, bro, I'll give you a G. Nobody wants a fucking meteorite. I was like, that's dead capital, bro. But I want it. I still want it though. That's the problem. Guess we're gonna play this game. Yeah, this is definitely the last round. Maybe there'll be some volume in a minute. Damn, my chair's that squeaky. It just died. Looks like it wants to pop though, right? This doesn't say it, but it just wants to be like.
chance for a minute, we're living free. You said you want love, would you dance for a minute? Change your plans for a minute, we're living free. You said you want love, so would you dance for a minute? And take a chance for a minute, we're living free. You said you want love, would you dance for a minute? Change your plans for a minute, we're living free. The dead is better, I wanna break
DXY was busted in my what do you call it, ticker tape, so I was trying to fix it, but apparently it's more complicated than I want to deal with right now. Let's see, any reason for this? There's just no reason. Wonder if it wants to keep going. Kind of looks like a short, but it also looks like a long. What to do? Oh, I left the thing on. Bitch. Or maybe it is a long. Right back. I don't know. It also could be a trick. Is it a trick? A late night trick? What do you think? Oh, it would scoop me down. Wants to go down. Hey, buddy. I don't know. Aww. Oh, it would have scooped me and then took me out. That would have been nice. Took me out in a good way. Oh man, okay. There we go. Let's turn more towards me. I am like laying down. I love how this is turning out though, this other thing. Wants to do something, just doesn't know what. And we're way over. Wait, are we in between? Oh, we're right in between the two lines. We're exactly in between sorrow and despair. Oh. Oh man, is it gonna tick me? I feel like I want to take it. I feel like I want to try, but I don't trust it at all. It feels like a scoop. Oh shit. It feels like a scoop. Is it a scoop? Or is it building a base? Ooh. I'd already be halfway out. If I was right there, I'd already be almost out. Well, let's try it this way. I used to do this in trade where I would like put the line right there. Let's see. We're not taking a lot of risk at all. And thanks. I didn't even have to manage it. I knew to move it down to the sell order block. They're like magical. Exactly at the top of it. $40 just to get out. Is that what's playing out? Bear flag. Is there a fucking bug in here? Get the fuck out of here. Are you serious? You know, this is because I let you guys go outside and leave the door open. Hold on a second. I'm making some food. Oh, that's weird. Now I have an echo. That's great. All right. Let's see what we can do. I'm thinking this might. No, I thought I was gonna say it's gonna be a turnaround point, and then it smashed it. But it could still be a turnaround point. It wants to go. It looks. Wow! It came all the way down from sorrow to despair. Wow. It's. Oh man, I don't want to long that at all. Looks like it just wants to go forever. It looks like it wants to go forever, although that'd be a hell of a short. But now I can't short it. Rules. Consequences. Rules. Rules and consequences. The consequences is losing. The rules is don't short the bottom. Oh my god. Is it stupid? I still hear them shorten. They're still selling. They're still selling. I want to long it so bad. Oh, barely anything. And then they're just gonna smash it down. I freaking know it. One contract, Delta, 0. Come on, give me something. Give me a reason. No, it's going more. It wants to go more down. Fuck. I'm doing it. Oh, we got it. Are we in? Damn, that's hell no. If it goes, it's going. So I'm gonna get out super quick if that happens. I don't think it's gonna get past VWAP if it doesn't keep going. Shit. It didn't seem like it had any steam left, but... Oh, at 10:30 something happened. Let's just get out. Let's get out with something. ES is getting hit. But... What am I on? Alright, no big deal. See, I kind of said this was gonna happen. Shit. Alright. It was so there, though. You know? For a long. It could still be. I mean, I could just... It's not really that much. And you know what? Let's give it some room. I mean... What's it going to do? Is it really going to tank all the way? If it tanks all the way, then what do we lose? 160. It's already almost there. That's hysterical. Alright, well. I don't want to just give it to them, especially when it keeps... You know what? Let's put 210. Let's even go... 250. Is that what it is? 260. I'll up it. 250. There's no way. There's nothing. I'm looking. Kanye West did something. Kanye West does not move markets. If it takes 250, then I'll just call it fucking, you know, bad luck. You know what I'm saying? It's an evaluation. Oh, come on. Don't make me call it bad luck. I want to average into it too. This would be a hell of a place for it to turn. Oh my god, I want to do it so bad. It's such a bad move. Alright. What is going on? Oh, it's the cat. I thought somebody was gonna have to get popped. Can't be strange noises late at night. I gotta fix the ticker, but I don't know. It's an imported file that's somewhere. It's an HTML file somewhere in my computer. I don't know where it is. And then there's other work to be involved. Alright, well, we're already here, so. And I'm making a pizza now, so. Really? You're just gonna fucking destroy it like that? I just don't believe it. Would it just retrace the whole thing? Just all the way? Just all the way. For no reason. Iran port to being completely besieged by U.S. forces. So how does that screw up futures? You know what, dude? Honestly, fuck you. You want to take it? Take it. Fucking take it. I'm not averaging in. It's fucking ridiculous. I hate this bullshit sometimes. Fucking ridiculous, yeah. That's great. It reset on me. Go fuck yourself. So angry. I didn't even lose yet and I'm angry. This is such bullshit. Well, the computer says to long from here too. I can feel the bullshit. I can feel, yeah. So. Alright, well. No way. Is that the end? It's usually the end as soon as it takes me out. I guess I could have put it under here. And risk 3. But, you know, who knows what the fuck's going on. Really, like, the news that the same thing is happening that we already know about is going to cause anything? Oh, the timer's done. Hold on. This is fucking pissing me off. Thank God it's this account. Fuck this account. Hold on a second. I cooked an entire pizza and it's still in the same fucking place. That's hysterical. It's right where I left it. Wow. Alright, and that's another bear flag for another leg down. So, let's wait for that to happen. You know what? You know, I don't trust my luck right now. Because that was, we were on a roll. And then it got rocked. Were we on a roll? Oh, this is all today, though. I DLL'd today, so this is not gonna look good. Yeah, I DLL'd this account. I'm gonna fucking burn it if I keep playing like this. Thank God they're still at 90% off, and I'm stocking. Apex really is a good deal. They really got their shit together, man. What are you supposed to do? Oh, what's going on there? Is this program running? Oh, my watch is gonna die. All right. People are still talking about GameStop and bro, I made a killing on. Yeah, I have to cancel that app. It's too expensive for what it does. I think the phone pretty much does all that. I forgot what I was talking about. Paying attention to too many other things. Wow, that's crazy. Alright. I already canceled that. Oh, okay. Well, the day is a lot more fun, man, I'll tell you. Daytime is way more fun. Really? You can put Bitcoin in a Roth IRA? I did not know that. They don't realize you can put Bitcoin in a Roth IRA and never pay taxes on the gains. Bitcoin goes from 75... Really? In a Roth? Really? Interesting. Oh, shit. That's not what I meant. Alright, I'm just gonna delete it. Redo it. I might as well post shit since fucking literally nothing's happening. Nothing's happening at all. I just wanted to see what that looked like if I press that button. Looks like it's all crypto stuff. They have a fat new one, but I looked at it for a second and there was a small amount of effort involved, and I just don't have it right now. So this is my crypto. This is when I used to stream crypto. Look at that. Crypto scrolling. That's what this is, right? See, this one still works perfectly. They don't have a broken DXY. Why is my DXY broken? I gotta go fuck with the whole thing because of one ticker? Nuts. Alright, I'm happy I put the timer on my phone because that pizza would burn. Because I forgot about it just now. Damn, he's got 57,000 followers. I don't know if there's a difference between crypto Twitter and futures Twitter, but I'm definitely on crypto Twitter. I don't see any futures stuff. I see Dakota, and that's it. I used to see a lot of futures stuff. I literally just... your biggest enemy in trading is boredom. Isn't that true? Tell me about it. This guy says Bitcoin is going to 500,000. Where is it? Hold on, let's see. I'll probably mess up my sound again, but let's fucking go for it anyway. This looks like it's an explanation. Can I hear it? Oh, wait a second. No? I can't hear anything. Does any sound play? Whoa. Alright, it does. So just not this. Alright, so there's no sound, is what's happening. Interesting. Alright. Alright, let's see what he's doing. 69K. Oh, okay. Really? Is it Elliott wave? That would be very nice. Is that soon? Oh, 2028? Man, I don't have fucking time for that. Oh yeah, no. I'm trimming before then. I've been holding that shit way too long. It can go to $1 trillion in 2030. I'm still selling it before. I've had way too much of a trials and tribulation with Bitcoin. Trump signs executive order eliminating capital gains tax on Bitcoin for this year. Bullshit. Oh. Alright, I got you. Alright, okay. Oh, you didn't get to hear it. I'm gonna play it again because it was funny.
Is a good one. Is everybody listening?
This executive order is the fuck around and find out order, also known as the FAFO. This order is for everyone who fucked around and will now find out.
Hold it. This is a good one. Is everybody listening?
This executive order is the fuck around and find out order, also known as the FAFO. This order is for everyone who fucked around and will now find out.
Hold it. This is a good one. Is everybody listening?
This executive order is the fuck around and find out order, also known as the FAFO. This order is for everyone who fucked around and will now find out.
Hold it. This is a good one. Is everybody listening?
This executive order is the fuck around and find out.
Alright, we heard you. So my mic's not working now? Is that what's happening? Yeah, that is what's happening. Alright. Hold on, my pizza's ready anyway. Alright, let me see if my mic works now. Every time I turn on that stuff, my mic stops working. Alright, let me see if my mic works now. Alright, well that works. Now, let's get the music back. Every time I turn on that... Alright, music. Alright, music. Alright, music. It goes in an infinite loop. It's funny. Alright. Jeez, every time I put on a video, it screws up my mic, and then I gotta reset the whole thing, and I don't know why. But we're not turning on the sound. You can look at CNN. Images show Iran digging for missile launchers. The pizza's ready, but I'm leaving it in there a little bit longer because I like it crisp. I like it crisp. This is playing out like a bear flag. Oh, I think I already drew one. There it is. Couldn't find it. Oh, it smells good. I gotta go get it. I'm just eating, so there's no reason to have the mic on. I'm looking for a trade. You might see one happen if something shows up. It looks like it's playing out a long bear flag, but also basing and possibly double bottoming, so we'll see. You know, this trading is boring, but this pizza is delicious. I would talk. I'm just chewing out. I'm almost done with my pizza. It's late, so give me a break. Alright. Okay. Oh, would that have played out? It would have. Oh. It would have. Yeah, it would have almost. We're still in this range. Buys coming in. Oh, look, even. Look at that. Look what I drew, and then look what it drew. It is a bearish pennant. Hold on. Damn, if I got it from right there. I hope it doesn't blast off. It might. I'll put it right over the... Did we pass through the wall of sorrow? Oh, wow. The wall of sorrow actually is now here. Oh, did I move the right wall? Yeah. The wall of sorrow is here, or the wall of despair. And the wall of despair has now been moved to there. Jeez. That was rough, by the way. That loss was rough. It wasn't a big one, but it was annoying that it just kept going from like here. I thought I had a chance for a minute, but where did I buy? Did I top ticket? I got out there, so I must have bought, yeah, it's gotta be this one. I forgot I was trading. Holy shit. I haven't shorted in so long. Oh man, is it really? I don't like shorting for whatever reason. I like a... Unless it's like really falling. Where is it? Oh, it's right at my... I love when it uses your entry as support. My thesis was that we were going to come back down on this bearish pennant. And this also is calling for it. Its target is literally 25,956. I'm just looking for 998. Yeah, 50. That would be sick if that, what happened there happened again right now while I was short. That would be amazing. I would continuously move it down. But now, like, what's happening? Now I just moved it up because now it's taking too long. Unless I'm gonna support it now, huh? Just one contract, super light. Not a lot of risk, I don't think. What is it? 190. I don't have that much left on this, but just because I was at 52, so I screwed. That's the thing about prop firm. Oh, boom, got it. So with prop firms, you know, winning is like your biggest. Winning and then having a loss afterwards, like, fucks you so hard. Even end of day, because end of day, I ended yesterday at 52, so it moved my stuff up to that. It might even be, I don't know. I have to check. If only there was a service. What are we taking that win? 40 or something? I know I moved it because it was being annoying. 35. Yeah, we got to chew away at that 250 loss. That was a real, now it goes. Let's see, I shorted there and got out at the bottom of that tick. And it went another point. Ooh, there you go. Well, it is playing out. It's just so slow that I just can't stand it. So I'll just move it up. And if you're like, well, why are you trading the slow market then? It's because I'm doing something else on my computer, so I might as well just do this anyway. So that's why. So. I'm just gonna trade while I'm running these programs. And I am training a crypto bot, and by running crazy amounts of tests, and I am adding images to my book. Look, it went all the way too. If it respects it, it shouldn't respect it because it's meant to go down, but it respected it exactly. It's already back above my exit. Whoa. Something gonna happen? Oh man, I told myself I wasn't gonna stay up late. But because I could let this other thing run, and the other thing I could just leave. I set up fail safes so that the bot doesn't drain the account. And the other thing I could just let the computer just go to sleep. But I'm addicted. Takes a very little to move a candle right now. I'll probably call it in a few minutes. There's nothing happening, and like I said, I just realized that I can just leave this running and just start again tomorrow when I get up. So let's start preparing for that. Let's start preparing for that. Man, people watching is going to be fun, because then I can answer questions. I love answering questions. I actually do. I didn't even mean that facetiously. Is this gonna take a shit again? You can't trust any of these, so. Alright, let's start prepping. Get my. Turn my lights on in my bedroom. Hold on. All right, I took my sleeping pills. All right, did I close my bedroom door so nobody goes in there? All right. This is just playing out forever. Hold on, I'm gonna put a thing. If there was anybody here, I would say something and I'll take a trade. I'll trade you anything in the chat for a trade. What do I write that? Move it now. How do I move it? I can't click on it. Where is it? That's not it. Oh, do I have to? It keeps making me think I'm gonna have to move that. There we go. Say something in the chat and I'll take a trade. I'm gonna put it on the wall. Do I have to go to the S? Yeah, I have to go to the S. Or I'll leave that for the next person that wanders in and then leaves, because I consistently walk away. I'd leave too. This bear flag, or what is it? Rising wedge is in there, a bearish pennant's in there. There's a rising wedge inside of a bearish pennant, and it's neutral. I think it's funny. Let's see if that keeps anybody around for more than a second. I bet you that works. Let's see the next person that comes in. There's one concurrent stalker, but that's, I don't know. Doesn't seem to ever say anything. Unless it's Pac-Man. Ooh, excuse me. Wish that button wasn't so loud, but I'm getting addicted to this. Even, oh man, if people start coming, that'll make it even better, but I'm getting just addicted to it. Even waiting, sitting at this boring chart, I can't get up. I can easily, I mean, I guess I took my sleeping pills to prepare for sleep, but... And we're just gonna let this baby just hibernate. And we did run all day though. I wonder if it's still there. No way. Okay, there you have it. Oh, all right. We're gonna call it. This is my chance. Copy this whole thing. All right. Sorry, just getting prepared. This is like the craziest, longest. Bearish pennant in history. And I bet it goes up for whatever reason. No way. Iran war is over? Fox tells news reporter. Let me see if that's true. Oh. Parts of it will run entirely tomorrow. Oh, it's bullshit. It's lies. It's lies. I thought... Dude, if that happens, that's like when it starts. I'm telling you, once that ends, it's gonna be... Like, if you're not getting into something now, you should have got into it last week. But you have time. And the PDT rule just got changed. I've been hearing about it for a long time, but oh wow, he definitely has AI writing. I think everybody has AI writing their shit. I could like see it. What's going on here? That's a scoop. Although I'm hearing the right green. Let's see, what's this say? This says short. I don't like to short. Doesn't seem like... It's a hell of a way back. And a hell of a way out. I was gonna take a risk, but it got weird. Oh, it's still just going. It wasn't supposed to do that. I'll just stop it. Can't seem to get a read, and this is bear flag or bearish pennant. Coming into a sell order block. It's like a trickle of volume. Which way is it gonna go? Oh. I don't trust any of it. never noticed the POC. It's purple. No, it's not purple. That's the POC. Oh no, it isn't. It's the price. Hmm. No, does it have a juice to pass through 200 days? The exponential? No, no. That's just the exponential. The simple's up here. Coming to view up. Broke it. Look at that. Damn. That was a missed opportunity. It's so weird. It's going right up to this fair value gap. Is it a head and shoulders? It kinda is. It went down here. No, it had a lot of juice on it. But it is the head and shoulders, like the whole thing, if you look here. Oh, if that plays out. I don't know, it's too shaky. I feel like it wants to go back. Let me see something. Doesn't want to bounce off the 200. And then it's on this order block. Does it go there? God, show me some momentum. Any type of momentum will take. Oh, what the Alright. That was weird. Well, at least that didn't go long. It is, by technical analysis standards, supposed to go down. But it's also being held up by the 200 exponential. And it's jumping around like crazy. What do I want to do? It still feels downish, but it's not even past. It's being held up. Look. This order block isn't even closed. Sit here for 30 minutes just for it to get to 3 points. What's the true range? 3.3. Oof. That's a nightmare. Can't do it. Oh. Well, it's building some sort of flag now. So are we building a bull flag? A really weird one? It's not dumping. Oh man. Right through it. Look at that. I feel like after that it's, I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it. If you came by, I appreciate it. I'll be back in the morning, but there's nothing going on and I'm exhausted, so I'm out. Peace.